So you're looking for the epic trading signal results for the entire month of February? Well, in this video, I'm going to be talking about exactly that. So you definitely want to stick with me all the way through this video so you don't miss anything. And my name is Rakeem Madison, and if you get value at any point in this video, be sure to smash that like button. Also, drop me a comment down below letting me know if this is helpful or if you have any further questions. And with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so I'm inside of the Epic Trading University. Now, what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to kind of go through it. I'm not going to go in depth. But if you do want the full scoop on epic trading, I put together another video. You can check that video out down below in the description box, and I'll also link it up in the card. You can check that out after you watch this video so you can at least know the type of results they're getting, and then you can get full clarity on exactly how the epic trading platform works, all right? So let's go through this university. So you see it says, welcome to this university, and then it's broken up into schools. So you have the basic school, the intermediate school, the advanced school, the study hall, the epic extra help, the epic mindset, the sniper academy, the crypto mastery, and the binary options, right? So my recommendation all the time is to focus on one thing, right? Focus on, if it's going to be crypto, focus on crypto. If it's going to be binary, focus on that specific thing, get better at it. And then if you want to expand from there, you could just expand from there. All right. So just to kind of let you know how it works. So let's say, for instance, you wanted to go into, let's just go into the intermediate school. So you see, I clicked it and then you see intermediate 1, intermediate 2. So if I click on this, boom, you see it takes me right into the university, and then I can go ahead and go through my learning process and whatever it is that you're going to do. And then if I want to go back, I can just hit back to courses and then hit university dashboard, and you can see I'm right back here on this screen. So that's pretty much how the university works. But if you want the full scoop, definitely check out that video down below or in the cards up above. All right, so let's actually go to the real reason you're here on this video, and that's the signals. So what happened in the first week of February? So here is the weekly pip count for January 30th through February 6th, 2021. So these were all of the forex trades that were actually took right here. And then these were the advanced assets, which was US 30. And then you can see all the pips right to the side, pretty much showing you all of the results. Now, for that first week, it was 2,848 pips that were caught. And then I want to kind of give you an illustrative example for each week so you can see what you could have potentially profited. Now, of course, that's not a guarantee. This is just an illustrative example. So if you took all of our signals this week, that means every single signal that you see up here, every single one, and you went with a micro lot size, which is 0.01, which is 10 cents per pip, you would have made $284.80. Once again, considering you took all of them. And then 0.05, which is 50 cents. If you had 50 cents each time you put in one of those trades, then it would have been $1,424. If you did $1 per pip, so every time you move, it's $1, that would have been $2,848. If you did $5 per pip, which is 0.50, that would have been $14,000 you would have made. And then here, $10 per pip with a standard, which is a standard, that's $28,000 that you would have made, that you could have potentially profited if you took all of those signals for the first week. Now, let's go to the next week. So this is February 7th, 2021 to February 13th, 2021. So once again, these are all the forex trades that were made, and these are all the advanced assets that were traded. And then for that second week, we caught 809 pips, all right? And then once again, here's an illustrative example of what you could have potentially profited. So 0.01 micro lot size, you would have profited $80.90. If it was a 50 cent lot, then that would have been $404.50. If it was a 0.10, it would have been $809. If it was $5 per pip, it would have been $4,045. And then if you did $10 per pip, which is a standard, that would have been $8,000 that you would have made. So let's move on to the third week. So now the third week, from February 14th through February 20th, 2021, These were all the forex trades that were taken, and then these were all the advanced assets that were taken. And as you can see, 1,589, and then you can see the minus sign in front of that, right? So this was probably, as you can see, since the beginning of Epic trading, right, which was 9/7, right, when we actually started recording the signals, this was actually the first bad week that Epic has had, right, which, as you can see, it was stated right there, right? Probably one of the worst weeks they had, and they were honest with it, right? But that's what happens in the market, right? You don't always get success every single week. So now let's go to the fourth week. So now you can see February 21st to February 27th, 2021. So you can see forex currency. These are all of those the trades that were actually taken. And then as far as advanced assets, these were all the advanced assets where we actually caught a bunch of pips within that time frame. All right, and then you can see all the cryptocurrencies that were actually traded, right? So we traded a lot more in that specific week, and then you see that week we did 18,532 pips in the last week. Now, if you were to take any of these, all of these signals, right? Let it be known. And then here, 0.01 with a micro lot size, you would have made $1,853.20. If you did a 50 cents per pip, you would have made $9,266. If you did $1 per pip, you would have earned $18,532. If you did $5 per pip, you would have earned $92,660. And if you were doing a standard lot size, which is $10 per pip, you would have earned $185,320. Once again, this is an illustrative example because I understand that everybody doesn't take every single signal. Right? This is just to consider if you were taking every single signal and you were doing every signal with that specific lot size, okay? So that is the results for the entire month of February. Hopefully you got something from this video. If you seen this as, being cool, right? You seen this as more like, oh, they're really getting those results. Definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It definitely helps the video get out there. And if you got value, just let me know down below, right? I would definitely appreciate it. And if you want to get started with Epic, go ahead and use that first link down below in the description. And if you need more of a full scoop, go ahead and check that video out. The other video that's going to be down there, go ahead and watch that. It'll give you more clarity, and then we can get started from there. All right, so look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace.